alerting is very important. And I mentioned briefly before the rule of if an event happens more than X times. For us, what we identified as a good number is 10 times. So this is a rule that we have where if an event happens more than 10 times in production, we fire an Ops Genie alert. And Ops Genie is the equivalent of pager duty. If you're familiar with that, it's just a non-call, on-call rotation system. And we use those, we just fire an alert on Ops Genie. Again, 10 times, I think every single team should define what works for them. 10 times has worked for us for a while. It hasn't been too noisy to the point where we're firing escalations that shouldn't be handled, but at the same time, where there hasn't been issues that needed direct attention that has gone unnoticed. But along with code owners, we can also take alerting to the next step. So since when a new issue is getting opened, it's getting automatically triaged through code owners, then we have alerts set up like this one. So here what I'm saying is that if any issue that happens, if it's assigned to the core engineering team and the event environment is production, I want this to send the Slack message to core services Sentry. What this allows us to do is now we have a way to just notify the core engineering team of every single issue that is happening within that team. And there's no noise from other teams as well. And it allows us to have side discussions on Slack if we need to about is there anything we need to improve, or just have a sense of how things are going if there's anything weird happening in our environments. So this is how we used alerting in our environments, and it has been going pretty well for us. There's definitely a few things we would want to improve, and I'll talk about that in just a minute.